Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Welcome to our flagship store, Easy Blade Barbers & Co. Today we're going to talk about how to gain and keep customers probably for the rest of your life. Let's get into it. Rule number one is to know how to cut hair. Hone your craft. Get really good at cutting hair. Study, watch YouTube videos. Once you know how to cut hair, you can't be stopped. I know that's so cliche, know how to cut hair, you'll keep customers, but it's true. If you know how to cut hair, even if you're a person that doesn't even talk to customers and you're just a quiet person overall, you'll still keep tons of customers because you have a great haircut. There are tons of barbers out there that don't even speak English and they just know how to cut hair, and people love them. They keep going back to them, even though the communication is probably off. It still works out, guys. So know how to cut hair. That's just rule number one. Rule number two, engage in conversation. I know in rule number one, I said as long as you got a good haircut, then you don't have to worry about engaging in conversation. There are tons of barbers out here who don't know how to cut hair like rule number one, but they still seem to have more customers than people who know how to cut hair extremely well. There are barbers out here with a decent haircut, but guess what? They have the gift of gab. They really know how to talk to people, and they really know how to engage in conversation and really know how to take things to the next level. This is the best way to keep customers, guys. Customers have to be like family. When I was cutting hair for many years, I have customers that are still my friends to this day. And we travel together, we travel the world together, just off of a haircut. You never know who's sitting in your chair. You ever wonder how some barbers end up cutting celebrities and stuff like that? It's because they talk. They might meet somebody that knows somebody. They might meet a security guard that secures a famous athlete, rappers or whoever it is. These people end up in these positions because they engage in conversations and build relationships with their customers, guys. You have to build relationships. No matter who you have in your chair, you just never know who they're gonna be. You might have a little kid in the chair that can grow up to be the next LeBron James. You just never know who's gonna be in your chair, so you have to engage in conversations. Number three, use products on your customers. Have products on your station. There's nothing like going into a barbershop. I don't know if you guys remember when you were kids, before you decided to become a barber, before you were a barber, or before you were a stylist, whoever you are. You remember smelling that barbershop talc powder, hairspray. It's just something about the essence and the feel of a barbershop that leaves you smelling good, feeling good, and just remembering that experience. So you got to give your customers the experience. Use products on them. Don't be afraid to spend money on products, guys. Buy the best stuff to use on the best customers. If you treat them the best, they're gonna treat you the best and also give you good tips. Number four, exchange contact information, guys. A lot of you people out there are not exchanging contact information. Exchange phone numbers, exchange Instagrams, stay in contact with them. You guys wanna be like friends. So you wanna make sure that you're engaging with them at all times. Like their posts. You know, follow them, check on them every once in a while. Maybe get an email address, drop a text. I haven't saw you in a while. Or do you need a haircut? Stuff like that, guys. Exchange contact information. Number five, go the extra mile. What do I mean by go the extra mile? Give your customers the best service that you can. Hot towels. Take a little longer cutting the hair on their neck. Make sure their neck is clean. Make sure that their ears are clean. Make sure that their nose hairs are clean. Make sure you got all the hair at the bottom of their neck. Back to putting products on them. Style their hair before they leave the chair. Put some pomade in their hair. Pamper them. Wipe them down with a hot towel. Spray nice smelling products on them. Make sure that you dust all the hair off their clothes. They're gonna remember you for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you guys out a lot. Again, Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. If you guys need any products, you can go ahead and go to our website. Use coupon code U2. And again, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment on any kind of videos you guys want to see. Talk to you soon.